Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? This is live price prediction of Cardano. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you every single day. And don't forget to like this video. Okay, just complete 100 like. Thank you so much. Okay, so here as the price of one Cardano coin is 1.19 US dollar. Absolutely gone up. Before one day, the price of Cardano coin is 1.17, but today again I see this change and 1.19 US dollar. So absolutely they're gonna up because this is the end of this month and the people are going sell it. So if you want to sell it, then absolutely good time. But that yes, here the change is 24-hour as change of 0.87%. Absolutely the change is good. Therefore when I see these changes, then I cannot go to sell it. So don't sell it and wait a few days more. I hope they can easily cross 2 US dollar. What you say, can they can cross 2 US dollar? What your opinion? Please share it. Okay guys, so here as we can see here, the market cap is 38.11 billion US dollar. Oh my god, this is absolutely gone up. You can see here what the volume is 2.99 billion. Oh, this is absolutely gone up. Okay, so here if you can watch the chart, let's see the chart. This is the last one day chart. You can see here the 1 day chart as here. If you can see here, the price is gone down sometime because the people has gone a selling, but this is absolutely a good jump like a rocket. Absolutely very high jump. So if you can see here, they started dumping. Why? Because the people gone selling start. So absolutely gonna good, and here as the price of one Cardano coin is 1.12 US dollars. So absolutely this is good result. Okay, so let's check it out. Here the price is 1.23 US dollar. So this is absolutely a good time, but we miss this point. But you and me also miss this point because this is absolutely good time, but we can gonna sleep. So sorry, this is just for fun. Okay, come to the point. So here if you can see here, this is absolutely a good time. 1.21 US dollar as the price of current. So you can see here, and this is the last to not this is not last day of this month. We just wait a 1 day more. Okay, just wait a 1 day more and then decided to you just sell it or buy it. So this is your choice. Okay, so here as a return, you can see here, this is the good point. You can see here, this is absolutely good point. Returns 24-hour as 0.60%, and returns of here you can see here 5.562.29% is gone up. This is absolutely gone good. So thanks for watching guys. This is the live price prediction. What your opinion? Can the goods this time is a good time for selling, or this is absolutely not good time for selling? And we gonna wait for tomorrow. So see you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.